We recently released a huge collection of interactive science games online. Each game contains 15 multiple-choice test questions on varied science topics. We cover biology, chemistry, physics and the physical sciences. The games are interactive, fun and promote learning in a seamless environment. They are great resources for teachers who need to keep their students engaged in the classroom. They are also great for parents who need to homeschool their kids. Go check out these games in the link below and remember to share.